Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing talking avatars using Leonardo.ai, Dupdub.ai, ElevenLabs, and CapCut. Let's dive right in. First, let's introduce the tools we'll be using. Leonardo.ai is for avatar creation. Dupdub.ai is for text-to-speech. ElevenLabs is for voice customization. And CapCut is for video editing. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Creating the avatar. Head over to Leonardo.ai and log into your account. Click on Create Avatar and start customizing. Choose the appearance, clothing, and background. Spend some time tweaking the details to match your vision. Once you're happy with your avatar, hit the Generate button. Leonardo.ai will create your avatar in just a few moments. Step 2. Adding the voice. Next, we need to give our avatar a voice. Go to Dupdub.ai and sign in. Enter the text you want your avatar to say. Select the language and voice style that suits your avatar best. Click on Generate and download the audio file. Easy, right? Step 3. Customizing the voice. To add more personality, we'll use ElevenLabs. Upload the audio file from Dupdub.ai and apply any desired voice effects or adjustments. This step is optional, but can really make your avatar stand out. Download the final audio once you're satisfied. Step 4. Editing the video. Now, we'll put everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your avatar video and the final audio file. Sync the audio with the avatar's lip movements. Add any additional effects, text, or music to enhance your video. Once everything looks perfect, export your final video. And there you have it, your very own talking avatar video, ready to share with the world. Using Leonardo.ai, Dupdub.ai, ElevenLabs, and CapCut makes the process super easy and fun. Make sure to check out prompts and links in the description. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own avatar creations. Thanks for watching.